Hey, what's up fam? It's your boy Kurt from Caribeque, and today I'm back at you with another 5-ingredient or less recipe. We're going to talk about pork loin. Pork loin is one of the most underrated cuts of meat that we have out on the market today. One of the biggest mistakes that people make when cooking pork loin is they take it up too high. Pull your pork loin off at 140. That way, you can also use it in other recipes after your main cook. Slice it for sandwiches, cut it up for stir fry. You can also slice it really thin and put it on top of a salad. One of the good things about pork loin, and pork in general, it takes on the flavor of any rib you use. You can use Allentown, which is a savory blend of rosemary, sage, and thyme. You can make jerk pork loin, another great option. But today, we're gonna be using Caribeque pork rub. I'm gonna walk you through the process. Let's get into it. As you can see, this is our beautiful tender cut of pork loin. Usually, if you go to some super big stores, they come 2 in a pack. I got 1 in a pack here. What we're gonna do initially is flip it over and we're gonna score the fat. If you have excess fat on your pork loin, go ahead and trim it up a little bit. This pork loin does not have a lot of fat. I'm just gonna do cross hatches so that our seasoning goes deep into the pork loin, and when we put it on our Kamado Joe smoker, it's just gonna penetrate and be amazing. First, let's apply some olive oil to this pork loin as an adhesive. Secondly, we're gonna flip it over to the fat side up and we're gonna score the fat. Make cross hatches. That way, when we apply our rub generously to both sides of the pork loin, it penetrates deeper. Next, we're gonna put our pork loin on our smoker that's been preheated to 275 degrees. And then we're going to take it to an internal temperature of 140 degrees. We've reached the internal temperature of 140 degrees. This is very crucial. Do not let your pork loin get over 140 degrees. We're gonna take it off the smoker, bring it inside, put it on our cutting board, and let it rest for at least 15 minutes before slicing.